आज हम लोग एक गाने का सीक्वेंस कर रहे थे विच इज़ समवेयर इन द मिडल ऑफ द फिल्म. It's a play which is being directed by Nana and we are performing. We are basically college students who are doing that particular show on the stage. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है क्योंकि जो तेज़ाब में परफॉर्मेंस था, इट वाज अ परफॉर्मेंस जैसे शी इज़ अ प्रोफेशनल डांसर इन द फिल्म एंड शी इज़ डांसिंग, बट इन दिस इट्स डिफरेंट बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ बैले, इट्स लाइक अ प्ले, स्टेज प्ले मोर देन अ सॉन्ग. Wajood basically deals with what the society and especially the youngsters in the society today are going through. A kind of a turmoil. They don't know their own identity. They're trying to find themselves. They're trying to जैसे आम घरों में क्या होता है, जो अगर फादर डायमंड मर्चेंट है तो बेटा वही करता है, तो उसका बेटा वही करेगा. तो ट्रेडिशनल एक प्रोफेशन हो जाता है सबका. या एक्टर है तो उनका बेटा एक्टर बनता है. So this goes on in most of the families. Our film deals with these kind of people who want to break away from tradition and do something which is different and find their identity, find themselves, not get caught up in that. Because if you see at life in general, a lot of times people don't get to live their dreams. They just dream. But they have so many social commitments, they have responsibilities. Sometimes they just don't have the kind of money or the kind of freedom you need, to follow your dreams. And our characters in Wajood are doing exactly that. They're following their dreams.
मैम, जो टाइटल है वजूद, ये आपका वजूद है, एज वेल एज नाना पाटेकर?
ये तीनों जो मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं फिल्म के, द हीरो, both the heroes and the heroine, ये सभी की स्ट्रगल है. इट इज़ अ लव स्टोरी, लेकिन इनके कैरेक्टराइजेशंस जो हैं दैट ब्रिंग अक्रॉस दिस पॉइंट.
इस फिल्म में वो क्या खास बात होगी जो
आई थिंक इस फिल्म में, हालांकि ये लव स्टोरी है, लेकिन वी हैव एड्रेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स एज वेल एंड दे हैव बीन वोवन इनटू द स्टोरी. कहीं भी दे डोंट लुक आर्टिफिशियल, या ऐसे नहीं लगता है कि दे हैव बिन बॉट इनटू द स्क्रिप्ट. जैसे आई एम प्लेइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट, आई हैव माई ओन टीवी शो इन द फिल्म. तो वर्क प्लेस में द हैरेसमेंट दैट women go through, we have addressed that as well. So it's like a more socially aware film, and yet it's a love story. The love story angle is there, but it is a very, very socially aware film.
How did you feel doing that song? Was it?
Well, it was great because the Tezaab number was very different from this. There's a story going on behind what is happening on stage, and also it has a Bhangra beat. It is not like the Tezaab number. It's very different from that.
chasing dreams. What dream are you chasing in Vajood?
Well, like I said, like I was giving you an example of how when somebody is in business and somebody is successful, then that person likes his or her daughter or son, whatever, to be in the same profession as well. And this is the kind of pressure that a lot of teenagers, a lot of young people go through when they want to do something else, but you know, it's family business, so you have to do it, and somewhere they have to kill their dream and continue with what they're doing. I'm chasing my dream in the film. My father is different, but I want to do something that's different. For him, it's not very important, but for me, it's very important because that is going to establish my identity. I will know what I'm all about, whether I'm capable of doing something, or is it that I'm going to live off what my father has done.
Thank you.
Very good.